My daughter would like that in her room. Damn near shaking because every single week I wash my hair every week. Sometimes to get around the people. It wasn't too busy in there actually. I have really itchy scalp. So, but I went natural in 2010. It wasn't intentional, but I just fell in love with my natural hair and I wore my curls out for so long, but now I just straighten my hair all the time because it's just easier. And I just wanted a little change, but I'm really thinking about going back to my curls. About you and me, but today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come, but sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. I'm on my way to Costco and I'm just looking up in the sky, and I don't know if anybody else feels like this, but it seems like it's always cloudy. Like, it's very rare that you're able to see a clear sky. Well, I'm in Texas, I'm in West Texas, and it's very rare to see clear skies with the sun out. I don't know if it's just me or not, but it's still nice out. It's not hot, it's just like cool, but it's supposed to be really hot, but it doesn't seem like it because I have to get some things, and I gotta get some stuff for my daughter's school, her classroom. Like, I don't know what's up with the school funding or whatever, but I feel so bad for these teachers because they have to go into their own pockets and fund some of the stuff for the classroom. So I'm gonna help her teacher out because she has a really good teacher and I like her teacher. So I'm gonna go get some stuff while I'm there, and I also need some stuff for my daughter's lunch. I pack her lunch, but she don't even eat her lunch all the time. A lot of times she'll just eat whatever is at school. Sometimes she'll eat breakfast, but most of the time, like if you see in my other video, I try to feed her in the morning before she goes to school. She likes simple things like little breakfast sandwiches and oatmeal and stuff. So I did decide to go ahead and just vlog in here, but I am at Costco right now. And this is what I got. I just got a couple things of meat. I don't really eat meat like that. I've been trying to go vegan, but I've been back and forth, so it's mainly for my daughter. Leaving Costco now. I didn't really record anything when I was in there because I was too busy trying to get around the people. It wasn't too busy in there actually, but I just wanted to get everything I needed and trying to keep my train of thought at the same time. So. I don't know about y'all, but when I get back from the store, like when I leave out the store, I'm damn near shaking because I don't know, I didn't even eat anything this morning. I drank like a protein shake, and so I got this trail mix out of Costco. I swear, I can tell I'm gonna go through this bag in like maybe like a week or so. So good. I like going around this time. Like the time that I have came is like later in the afternoon, but I've also been here early in the morning as soon as they open. But people are literally parked outside waiting for them to open. And it wasn't that many people in here either. So, but when I get home, I'll show you guys everything that I got. But I'm going to sit here for a minute and just eat these because I'm hungry. Alright, my hands are a little shaking because I need to eat. I'm at home right now. I just decided to stop by because I'm decorating my daughter's room. But I can't stay here that long because I got my food in the car. So I'm just gonna go in here and look at a few things. Look at my purse, it's so cute. It's not a real Brahmin, I got it from the TikTok shop. But it's cute. I got a compliment on it already. This is like only my second time wearing it, so. My daughter will like that in her room. I love this store. I just saw an older guy and a little boy just sitting down. They're probably waiting for like his wife, and they're probably just tired. They look like they were so miserable, like they just didn't want to be here. This is a woman's dream though. Love this store. You're so fluffy. I'm looking for a comfort set for my daughter. She's 6, but I don't really see anything that I like. Her favorite color is green, so her room is pink, but I always want to get her like a girly color. She's a girly girl, but I just don't see anything that will go with her room. I'm trying to redecorate for her because she's getting older and she's getting into other things, so I'm like about feelings because I'm throwing like a lot of stuff for hers away. And some of the stuff I see is just way too adolescent for her. She's getting older and she's changing. So I don't know everything that she likes. Like she switches so quick. But I kind of have an idea what I want to do. But everything that I want to get for her is online. So I think I'm just going to wait rather than just buy her something. And I'm trying to lay off of shopping for a while. I haven't really been shopping. I've been ordering a lot of DoorDash. So just watching the type of money I spend. Because I will having my esthetician business getting started soon. I'm still in the making, you know, everything, doing all the paperwork side of things, but I can't wait. And then I'm going to get on here and then I'm going to share it with everybody. But I'm just going to hold off because I have goals in mind. So I'm just going to stick to my goal, even though I love this job, but it's not going to do anything but get me behind. So just, I'm not going to do it. But I really want to. I love shopping. I don't like shopping for clothes. I'm getting more into, you know, keeping myself up, but I love shopping for like home stuff. It's just my thing. I love to decorate. I'm still hungry.